I want to show you today how you can strengthen your heart with a point in Chinese medicine. They call it Shenmen. That helps you with circulation, blood circulation, gives you more energy, helps you to feel more calm, and also with some herbs. We'll start with Shenmen point. The way you find it, it's right below the pinky. If you can go just a little bit down below the bone, you'll feel a little hollow, and you want to massage it deeply. You want to massage it counterclockwise for about a minute, and then clockwise for about a minute on both sides. And like I said, it will help with the circulation, blood circulation. It will help with relaxing your heart, will give you more strength, better immunity, and help you to sleep better. And as you know, that heart, it's kind of the energy center of the relationships that you have towards other people and yourself. And so that will also, massaging this point will help you to release the blockages, the pain, forgive and let go. Forgive and let go of other people that have perhaps hurt you, betrayed you, and then also yourself, because heart is all about relationship towards yourself and others. And it's also about having healthy, strong boundaries. So that point, Shenmen, would be very helpful, along with some herbs. And I have two options with herbs. I love my Heart Restore formula. That is in capsules, and it has hawthorn, of course, hawthorn, and it's the queen of the heart. You know, hawthorn is one of the most important medicines that helps with regeneration of the heart. And it also has ginkgo, linden, yarrow, dandelion, lobelia, and angelica root. Will help you not just your heart, but it also will help the kidneys, and kidneys and the heart are very connected. And then I also have a heart chakra tincture, and this one, it's a tincture, so it's easier to take. It has different herbs. It has it does have hawthorn, of course, but it also has roses, wild roses, and thorns, because thorns represent boundaries. And that's the medicine for boundaries. And it also has lemon balm, and lemon balm is all about uplifting your energy, uplifting your heart. So that's the combination. These are the three herbs that I have in my tincture. Both are amazing. I hope that was helpful. Sending love to your heart.